Alright guys, I am pumped. I finally got a new set of wheels for the old buddy style Chevy truck, the OBS Chevy. No more 15s. Got 20 by 8.5 in the front and 20 by 10s in the rear. The only downside is the truck sits about an inch or two higher now with the bigger wheels. So that just means we're going to have to lower it. I've got a couple other projects going on right now, but I definitely want to get it lowered this fall or this winter for next year. But all in all, it looks a whole lot better than it did. Go up here. These are the Riddler 695 wheels. See if you can see them. 245, 50, 20s in the front. And 275, 50, 20s in the rear. Nice wide tire there. But it's coming along for a grandpa's truck, regular cab long bed. I don't know if you've been watching this channel or not, but I got progress. I bought it, trying to think, is that November, December last year? So I haven't had it a year yet. But so I've obviously done the 20-inch wheels. I replaced the tail lights just because the old ones were kind of hazy looking. I tinted the rear window so far. I still have the side windows to tint. The truck is completely stock. I mean, factory radio, very clean truck all in all. I also replaced the headlights, the turn signals, and these corner lamps. Same thing, they were just old and yellowish looking. Just wanted to give it a cleaner look. I also did LED low beams, LED high beams, and then I did the LED switchback, the turn signals at the bottom. So when the parking lights are on, they're white, just like the headlights. But then when you hit the turn signal, they blink yellow. And they have the resistor built into them so they don't blink fast or anything weird like that. But all in all, I'm enjoying this truck as a side project. Like I said, my channel, I also have a Honda Accord that I've been fixing up. I'm sure you've been following me about that. Also just picked up a Civic. I'm going to do just regular maintenance and repairs to the Civic. I also have a Honda S2000. I really don't do much with that. And I also have a Lexus LS430 that I should probably incorporate and do some stuff to the Lexus as well. But I appreciate you guys watching my channel. The more you guys like my channel, the more you guys leave comments and stuff, the more it helps me out to be able to fix up these projects and show you exactly how well they're going, or sometimes your guys' input helps me out. But I appreciate it, guys. Thanks for watching. Hey guys, if you liked my video, you can check out other videos right here just like it. Please hit my subscribe button, and thanks for watching.